For Milan Design Week 2026, Cinquevi invited us to create a vibrant outdoor installation at the entrance of their exhibition space, Cavallerizze on Via Olona. During the week, the National Museum of Science and Technology hosts a community of designers and visionary projects. We are honored to be part of that. Our installation is a fabric walk-through passage made from repurposed giant promotional banners. Built with materials from blow-up media, a leader in out-of-home advertising, and Big Impact, a pioneer in large format printing. The backdrop of a campaign becomes a new foreground. Layer by layer, through color contrast and movement, the installation transforms leftover material into wonder, inviting visitors to step inside. We are Ulrike and Paul from Studio Momantai in Eindhoven, the Netherlands, and we hope to see you at Cavallerizze, part of Cinquevi, during Milan Design Week.